Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover controls control statement. Okay. So in control statement today we will cover decision making statements. Okay. So let's get started. Now what is control statement? Actually the code which we write it executes from top to bottom. Okay. So first line executes, then second, then third, then fourth. So like this it, but if we use any control statement after that, like if we want to run first line and then fifth line, then it will get executed. So in this we will explaining you like how we can control that flow. So let's start it with decision making statement. There are two options which we can use for decision making statement is if statement and switch statement. Okay. So, what like as the name suggests, decision making statement decide which statement to execute and when. So, decision making statement evaluate the Boolean expression and control the program flow depending upon the result provided. I will explain you by the example. Okay, you will get a brief, complete understanding. Okay, so if statement, like we have given one example, like if statement, then we will give some condition. If it is true, then this section will execute, and if you think so that this statement is false, then we will move to other things. Okay, so first we will go with if statement. Simple, only one line, like if condition and then this statement. If else, we will be learning if this is true, then fine, else execute this. Okay, if else, if, like this is a ladder, like if condition is fine, if it is okay, then it will run. Else if this is fine, then it will run, and if this is condition, then it will. And then when we have nested if statement, let's see how it works. So basically if is given, and then we will provide a condition, and then we will provide the statement. If this is true, then statement 1 will execute. Okay, so example is given. See, public class student. So we have created one class student. Now this is the main method. In main method we have defined 10, 12, x value is 10, y value is 12, and now we are adding, that is 22, which is greater than 20. Okay, then we have to print x plus y is greater than 20. If this condition is true, then it will print 20. Okay, if now this sign will be like this, then this line will have not been printed. Okay, so if else, if condition this is true, then it will execute. If this is false, then it will move here, and this line will execute. Okay, let's see the example. So we have same condition we have given here. Okay, less than 10, but both calculation is 12, so this is false, so this will run, and it is printed. See the output. Okay, now if else if ladder type of thing. If condition, else if condition, and statement. If condition first one is true, then it will run. If second condition is true, then this will run. If both are wrong, then this will run. Okay, now see. So we have given first city Delhi. City equal to Meerut. So it's wrong. This will not execute this line. Now city equal to Noida. This is no. This will not execute because city is Delhi. Now Agra we are checking. No, accept. No, this line will not execute. Then what we are printing? City. City name is Delhi. So Delhi is the output. Now next if statement. So here condition, if condition, if condition, and else. Okay, this is next if. So how we have to do it? See, public class student is there. So Delhi, India, we have given the address. Now address ended India. If the address contain this is wrong, so this line will not execute. If as address contains Noida, no, this is also wrong. And we can print this, else this address split by the comma and zeroth. So when we are splitting it, so now at 0 index Delhi and 1 index you can say India, and split by comma and 0 value is Delhi, because index always starts with 0. Okay, so Delhi will be printed, and else this should print. You are not living in India, but we are living in India and Delhi, so it will print Delhi. Okay, now we will move to switch statement. So now let's see the example. Switch, now expression means some condition we are giving it, and then we have some value, like let's see the example only, then I will explain you. So now we have taken number 2. Okay, int. Now 2 value is there. Okay, so like system out number is 0, so this case is wrong. Now break, we will do break here. This is a mandatory line. Okay, see the syntax. What is the syntax? Switch, then condition, case, then value we will put, and statement, and break. Like this n number of conditions we can give, and break, and then default and default statement. Okay, if all the conditions will be wrong, then default statement will execute. So here number is 2, case 0, no, this line will not execute, break. This is 2, no, then this line will not execute, break. Okay, and default it will execute number 2 will be printed. So like this, now you got switch, nested if. Okay, and you got this if else if ladder, you got if else, and simply if also you have got. So these are the decision making statement. So you can go through this Java T point and get your idea about it. And okay, so I will say, if you like my video, if you like it, and comment if you have any questions. Okay, and please do share, subscribe me. Okay, bye bye.